Have you seen the movie Gooby? There's the movie called Gooby.
Close your eyes.
No.
Okay. Our new house, Willie. Our dream house. It's not my dream. We're moving today. You're wrecking all my stuff. Unbelievable. 6 weeks we've been dealing with this. You're way too old for this. This is my aim of the fire.
Toy in isolation on the ground.
Keeps me safe from danger.
I'll be waiting for you.
What about him? Gooby?
Breathe life into me, you do.
What's so terrible about moving? Tell me. If we move into the new house, bad things will happen. Like homies. For real.
How many cookies can Gooby eat? 15, 20, 35. How many cookies can the Gooby eat? 15, 20, 35.
We don't go the hoodies anymore. No such thing as hoodies, you implore.
If there's no such thing as hoodies, I should go. We don't like the same things anymore.
Said some things I really shouldn't say.
Just a bear in the dark, waiting for a savior, a little human friend to take. It's no home of my own.
I'm Gooby.
A prisoner, you see. I need love to set me free. Bear for a friend. Who could ask for more? Open up the door and take me
Good thing I come to save you, Willie.
Take me home. Take me home.
But none of this makes any sense. You're supposed to be a normal toy. Like this big.
Yeah, we want it like this. We're gonna have a lot more fun, eh?
Gooby loves driving, yes she do.
over.
What? Never eaten a hot dog?
You guys, Gooby built a space car. Ta-da! He built it out of spare parts, flying down the hill at record speed. Gooby is the only friend I'll ever need.
Flesher, flesh-shirted fish. Flesher, flesh-shirted fish. Flesher, flesh-shirted fish.
Beyond the sea.
I am Mr. Nerdlinger, and I know what you're thinking. That name sounds awfully familiar. I'm sure we all recognize Flesherton Fish from the books of the same name. Flesherton Fish goes to market. Flesherton Fish beyond the sea. Flesherton Fish and Ahab make friends. I wrote those books. Those are my books.
Willie, the hot dog peed.
Gooby is a bear, you see, the dearest friend of Willie. Gooby is a buddy if you believe. Gooby is a bear, you see, the dearest friend of Willie. Gooby is a buddy if